I'm going to show you how to pair the Bulldog-WIFI to your network and set up your phone for control. So first, you need to install the iWi-Link app and download that and set up an account. And then let's show you how to plug in the, so there's a 6-pin PS2 connector here. You just be careful you plug it in with the right orientation, and you plug in the 12-volt AC adapter. First you need to look at the blue light. If it's blinking once and then pauses, once and then pauses, that means it's not broadcasting. So you're going to need to set it in pairing mode. The reason I mention that is sometimes if the device is updated enough, when you first power it up, it'll move to the triple blink, which is what we're going to set here. Alright, to get it into pairing mode, you hold down the icon, the valve icon, for about 4 or 5 seconds, and then this will begin to triple blink and then pause, blink, 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 pause. So let's get it to that mode, and that's the quick pairing mode. And you've already installed the app, so I'm going to hold this down. Should see this change. Okay, now it's solid, and now it's blink, 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 which is what we want. So it's in quick pairing mode. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's blink, blink, blink. Alright, so let's go to quick pairing mode. And you have to be on a 2.4 gigahertz network, which we are, and we'll talk a bit about that later if you don't have a 2.4 gigahertz network. Most routers do. Okay, so now it's looking for the device. So most routers that are 5G also, there you go, it's found the device. And it's going to take a few seconds here. Alright, now it's done, so you can rename it here. And we're done. Alright, so there's the Bulldog valve. So the first thing you can see here is it needs a firmware update. If it comes up with that message, it's a good idea to complete the firmware update. So let's go to the settings, current version 3.3, it wants 3.41, and we'll update now. Alright, this will take a few minutes, but I'll fast forward through this. There, the dump is done. Alright, let's just give it a test. Right, on, off seems to be working. And then the first couple settings I would go to change is you can turn on push notifications. It's a good idea if you want to get a notification anytime your valve opens or closes. And the one that's important here is the power state. So you set this so that if you lose power and the power is restarted, you want the valve on, off, or last state. And the best option is last state, so it doesn't change it when the power is restored. So we'll save that. And now we're all set. Alright, so we can open and close the valve with our phone. Alright, let's talk a bit about the remote. So it comes with a remote, and it's easy to add more remotes. And it comes with a remote, and it's prepared. So when I push this button, it should change the state of the valve from open to closed and vice versa. And I'll push it again. So now it's closing the valve. But I'll show you how to pair this device, just in case you have trouble with it or you have a second one that you want to pair. So to remove the device, you have to remove the device first. So to remove the device, you'll hold down the green arrow here for about 5 or 6 seconds, and then it'll reset, and any of the remotes that were paired will be disconnected. So let's do that first. I'm just holding down the button until it stops blinking red. Alright, so now when I push this remote, nothing should happen. Okay, and then the pairing process is simply you push that button once and let go. You hold the remote button for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then you're paired. Let's do that right now. So I'm pushing the green button once, let go, Holding down the remote button, I can see it's blinking kind of red here. And now when I push this again, it should be paired. And there we go. That's it.